Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the system safe. Depressurize the tank and bleed the hose until the gauge reads 0. Once done, disconnect power and separate the hose at the quick connect or thread. You need clear access. Now examine the hose carefully, run your hand along it, looking for cuts, abrasions, or bulges, and mark them with tape. You do this because locating the exact leak determines whether you repair a small cut, replace a fitting, or swap the entire hose. Choose the right repair. Small punctures get a rubber patch with adhesive or tightly wrapped self-fusing tape. This restores sealing without tools. If the leak is at a fitting, remove the old fitting, clean threads, apply PTFE tape or liquid thread sealant, and reinstall to proper torque. Make sure threads seat flush. For a large split, cut out the damaged sections squarely and join with a barbed coupler and hose clamps, or replace the hose altogether to restore full strength and safety. After repair, reattach the hose and repressurize the system slowly to working pressure. You must watch and listen. Spray soapy water on joints and the repaired area. Bubbles mean a leak. If bubbles persist, depressurize, retorque fittings, reapply PTFE or redo the patch and retest. Don't run it if uncertain. One key troubleshooting tip: if repeated repairs fail at the same spot, replace the hose. Continued failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.